Welcome back to 80/20's Xtreme DIY, where last month we got our tool cabinet almost finished, and now we're ready for some panels. But before we begin, if you want to download design files or watch previous videos on the tool cabinet, please visit 8020.net. Now we've got everything laid out, and we're ready to install some panels. Now the first thing we want to do is take our T-nuts and load them into the open T-slot. After that, we'll take our panel and line up the hole on our panel with the hole on our T-nut. Now something to help you along with that is take your T-handle, feed it through the panel and into your T-nut. From there, you should be able to line up your panel right where you need it. Now the last thing you got to do is take some bolts and tighten everything down. So we've got our panels installed, our cabinets upright and together, and the last thing we need to do is add some accessories. So to finish up the cabinet, we went with some end caps to cover up some exposed profile ends, a light above the flip-up table, bins for my hardware and odds and ends, some tread strip to prevent slamming or banging when the doors close, and latches that I picked up at the local hardware store to hold the doors closed when I'm moving the cabinet. Now with all of that done, we're going to finish up with our flip-up table. Now if you remember in the last video, we installed a small profile to our pivot assembly. I went ahead and added a deadbolt latch to the bottom of that profile. Now the last thing we need to do is install our panel, which I preloaded with bolts and T-nuts. From there, we'll simply slide it into the open T-slot and tighten it down. After that, you can flip up your table, lock it into place, and put it to use. Over the past few months, we've taken a look at bringing a sketch or a concept all the way through to completion. What started out as needing a place to store power tools, toolboxes, and other garage items has turned into reality. The tool cabinet is a perfect solution for those messy workbenches while also allowing you to bring your workbench to you anywhere in the garage. And as with all 80/20 projects, this application is just a starting point. This same cabinet could be tailored to work for your shops, manufacturing floors, trade show displays, and more. The possibilities are endless. If you want to get started designing your own tool cabinet, head over to 8020.net, where you can download the design files, project plan, and see the first two videos and much more for this project. Check back next month where we'll tackle a new project, but until then, make it a great day.